your beautiful 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. The description of this combination. Obviously, it's got the Borla stack injected AFR heads. Got one of our custom ground hydraulic rollers. So instead of our custom pistons, must be going to GT40. That's our GT40 front end. A nice setup. Obviously, the fuel manage it by Holley Terminator X. Great system. When you receive it, I have all these tags where to go. Pretty easy to hook up. So there's a lot of myth about the stack injection as far as running good, tunability, things of that nature. There's two factors there: the brand you use and the fuel management system. Obviously, this Borla, this is a 575 horsepower, so it's got a good bit of camshaft. Idle's great, throttle's great, makes power, and also part of that is the tunability of the Terminator X. So those two systems really play a big role in stack injection. So we do a good bit of it. We'll take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, it's 482 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 540, peak horsepower 584. So we rated 575. It's got a front end on it, so that's about 15 off. So runs really good, and that's due to the Borla. So we'll get her off there, get in her crate, and get her shipped out. Kind of give you a glimpse of the fuel graph, good and smooth. So, have a great day.